Hello everyone, so welcome again to the channel, Tuts and stuff. And today what we're going to be doing is showing how to take an exam using safeexambrowser. Alright, so let's go into our course and we're going to look at a quiz that has safeexambrowser in here. Here we are. You'll notice here where it says download configuration, we'll click that. I'm just going to save it. I have one downloaded already. Alright, with that downloaded, you then open a new tab and you search for Safe Exam Browser. Then click this link here that says download latest releases. And then you download the one according to the OS that you're using. In my case, I'm using Windows, but there's also available for Mac and there is one available for iOS. There's no Android at the moment. So you download it. This is safe. Save it. So I'll download it again. Save it. Okay, so now that it's finished downloading, we click, we agree, and install, and wait a bit. Once it's finished installed, we then open the original config file that we have downloaded from the quiz area. Now once it's opened, it's going to completely lock out everything. Not able to record to show you that it has begun, but once it's brought up, you'll be greeted again with a login window for your environment, your Moodle environment, to which you sign in and it will carry you to the exam. Once you finish the exam, it will bring you back to this point where you can then close off, and that's how you take an exam using safeexambrowser.